We're here today with Coach Lister. Coach, you're bringing in 5 new recruits this season. Let's talk today about that class as a whole, and then we'll go individual on each athlete.
Yeah, we're excited about the class. We lost the Player of the Year in the conference in Brianna Garza, second-team All-Conference player in Shay Shoemaker, and Sierra Washington, who could really shoot the ball from the outside. 3 kids that were high-level players that really contributed to our conference championship last year. And we knew we needed to address that with this class. I feel like we did. It's very guard-oriented. We feel like that was a position we wanted to really try to get some more depth on. And we look for kids that are versatile, that can do a lot of different things on the floor for us. And I think we've done that with this class, and we're excited about them moving forward.
Let's dig deep into each player on your roster, each individual player. First off, let's start with Ebony.
Ebony Parker, freshman out of Pine Forest High School in the Houston, Texas area. 1-2 combo guard that's really dangerous off the bounce, has a smooth stroke. Just really impressed with her overall game. I think she's a kid that can contribute right away, that we feel like has a lot of potential to be a good player in our league. Was 2-time Offensive Player of the Year in her district. Outstanding scorer, played on a high level, the 5A level in Texas, so used to playing against very good competition. We feel like she can step in right away and be a difference maker for us. I think Caitlin Modissette's another kid that has that type of potential. Caitlin is a kid that is 5'10", rangy, can shoot the 3, very good off the bounce. Was all district all 4 years, I believe, of high school at Friendswood down in the Houston, Texas area as well. Played at a 4A high school down there. Again, very high-level competition, understands how to play the game, is very multi-dimensional, and I think is another kid that will impact us in her freshman year. We got a transfer from Independence Community College, Kelsey Larson. Kelsey's actually an interesting story. She's a student that we recruited out of high school that ended up going junior college first. Due to an unfortunate injury, it kind of cut her junior college career short, but she'll have 3 years left for us. Was putting up really good numbers last year before she got hurt. She's just a versatile kid. She's strong. She can play the 1 through probably the 4, just with her physicality and the way she's built. And she just has a lot of dimensions to her game. Can score from the outside and the inside, and is a good, solid passer, and a very, very tough kid. So we're excited about her and what she brings to the table. Sydney Hansen, great shooter from Blue Valley High School. Was all conference this year. Can absolutely fill it up from the outside. Played in a very tough league up in Kansas City, and is very well prepared to play at this level. She's a kid that we think is going to continue to get better as a player off the bounce and become a more productive scorer, penetrating to the rim. But right now we know she can absolutely fill it up and stretch defenses with the way she shoots the basketball, and we're excited about her bringing that dimension to our team as it's a big part of our offense. And Brittany Deem, she's a kid from Central Heights High School that's actually decided to walk on here. She's an all-conference player, all-state honorable mention kid with a lot of upside, we think. Kid that we hope continues to develop, but she plays very hard. She's very aggressive. She's very good at attacking the rim, and we have some things that we feel like we can help her to improve on. We're excited that she's decided to take the opportunity to be a part of our program and help our continued success. So overall, it's a very guard-oriented class. We look for kids that can do a lot of different things on the floor. Obviously, point guard was a position we needed to address. We felt like we did that with Caitlin and Ebony. Both of those kids can play the 1 and the 2, so we feel like we're in good shape with that group, and we're looking forward to watching them gel and become a part of our program and our success in the future.
Coach, thank you for your time, and we will talk to you closer to the season.
Thank you.